Now we are going to solve the second problem in chapter 8, heat and thermodynamics. What is mentioned in the problem? In the planet Mars, the average temperature is around minus 53 degrees Celsius and the atmospheric pressure is 0.9 kilopascal. First I will note down these two values. First we have to talk about Mars, planet Mars. Here the average temperature is given. The average temperature T is minus 53 degree Celsius and the atmospheric pressure is P is equal to 0.9 kilopascal. These two are given. Calculate the number of moles of the molecules in unit volume in the planet Mars. And then we have to compare the value with the Earth. Same thing to be calculated, but this value to be compared with the value obtained in the case of Earth. So first we will solve the problem related to which one? Mars. Here minus 53 degree Celsius, minus 53 degrees Celsius is equivalent to 220 Kelvin. How to solve? If 273 is added, you will get the value in terms of Kelvin. So Kelvin value must be written because it is SI unit. Celsius value is converted into Kelvin value. The formula to find out the answer is PV is equal to mu NA KT. Already we know the value of NA and K. In the previous problem itself we have used both the two values. Here you are asked to calculate number of moles per volume, per unit volume. So therefore, this mu to be divided by V. Are you clear? So mu to be taken, that is to be divided by V. So mu by V is nothing but number of moles per unit volume. Mu by V is equal to P divided by Na NAKT. Simple formula. Substitute the value. Pressure value is in kilopascal. 0.9 kilo to be converted into 10 to the power of 3 pascal. Kilo to be converted into kilopascal to be converted into pascal. 0.9 into 10 to the power of 3 whole divided by Avogadro number to be substituted. 0.23 into 10 to the power of 23 into Boltzmann's constant 1.38 into 10 to the power of minus 23 into temperature 220 Kelvin. 220 Kelvin. So all are substituted here. Therefore, mu by V will be equal to, finally you are getting 0.9 into 10 to the power of 3 whole divided by 1828. 1828. If it is calculated with the help of calculator, you will get 0.00049 into 10 to the power of 3. So after displacing the decimal point, you will get 0.49 moles per volume. Moles per volume. So this means number of moles are present in the unit volume. Are you clear? Unit volume. So that is the answer obtained finally. So these are all the values which are obtained in the case of Mars. Are you clear? Now we have to find out the same thing in the case of Earth. Are you clear? The answer obtained in the case of Earth to be compared with the answer obtained in the case of Mars. Same steps, same thing, but the thing is you should know the other data related to Earth. In the case of Earth, one atmospheric pressure is equivalent to 101.3 kilopascal. This is a standard one at STP. 101.3 into 10 to the power of 3 pascal. That must be taken. Is it clear? At STP. Are you clear? But here in this problem, if you take the room temperature value, only then you will get the answer given in the textbook. Therefore, instead of taking STP temperature, I am taking room temperature value. This is pressure value. room temperature value is taken as 27 degrees Celsius, that is equal to 300 Kelvin. So if you take this value, only then you will get the textbook answer. That's why I have taken. Use the same formula. Mu by V is equal to P divided by NA KT. Same formula to be used for Earth. So I am dealing about which one? The planet Earth. Same thing, the pressure and temperature alone differs, the rest of the constants are same. Substitute now. Pressure value is 101.3 into 10 to the power of 3, that is the pressure value. And then Na 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 into 1.38 into 10 to the power of minus 23. You can easily cancel here, power of 23, power of 10 to the power of minus 23 is there, no, both can be cancelled. And then T 300 Kelvin, 300 Kelvin is substituted. Okay, so finally the answer would be how much? 101 into 10 to the power of 3. If the denominator values are multiplied, you will get 2493. 2493. These two can be cancelled. Are you clear? So in the final step, you would get 0.040. 0.040 into 10 to the power of 3 you will get. After displacing the decimal point, you will get 40.5. 40.5 moles per volume, moles per unit volume you will get. Are you clear? Very simple problem. Just compare the moles per unit volume in the case of Mars and moles per unit volume in the case of Earth is 40. So which one is greater? In the case of Earth, moles per unit volume is greater compared to Mars. Very simple problem. Okay.